Our business-to-business buyback opportunity is new to us and is absolutely taking off for our franchise partners. Look, there are medium to large companies all over the country in every single community that use devices such as iPads or employee phones to make their business run. These businesses buy new devices on a set schedule, and we found that these businesses are actually paying someone to come to their stores to dispose of the devices properly. We swoop in and make them an offer where we actually buy devices, something that was once trash for them. Usually we buy them for pennies on the dollar and are able to sell them in our stores for a 2x profit or more on every single device. However, that is absolutely not where this opportunity stops, but actually where it begins. Leading with the opportunity for businesses to make money first, they're of course much more willing to allow us in and create a connection with them. Our stores are not only able to make a killing off the buying and selling of the used devices, but as soon as we start buying the devices from them, they're already super happy with us, and we just make a comment to our contact at the business. Hey, just so you know, we also fix any device, so if it breaks before you're ready to buy a new one, you can always bring it to our store and we'll repair it for you. This allows us to get large business accounts for repairs, and we get their employees as well, helping multiple aspects of our business. It has truly been an amazing opportunity to get big accounts for our repair shops. If you have any questions about the electronic repair industry, you can sign up below and reach out to our corporate team.